Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 3 of the Leetcode Daily Challenge. Hit the like button, hit subscribe button, join me in Discord. Let me know what you think about today's problem. Minimum domino rotation for equal row. No intro today. I'm running really behind on the bus, so I'm just trying to get it in before the bus. So let's go. Let's take a look. In the row of dominoes, top and bottom, rotate I dominoes so that top and okay. Okay. So there are only two possibilities, right? Because everything is forced, right? Meaning that uh, either the first domino, either or there are only two choices, right? The first domino either is swap or it doesn't swap, and then after that, every other domino has to either rotate or not, satisfying one of the either top is true or bottom is true, and that's really it. And the reason why you can do that is because there's only four possibilities, right? Um, is it four? Yeah, I think it's four. Sorry, my allergies is still. I've been taking Claritin and it still hasn't been working. My allergies is kicking my butt, so I'm like, ugh. But in any case, yeah, I think that should be right. So let's just go through the four cases. So yeah. Yeah, I think that's it. I'm just trying to think about how to implement it. So I also just woke up. I have to catch a bus in about 2 hours. I'm just trying to think it through a little bit. But yeah. Okay. So we have n is equal to. Okay, so make sure the top matches, right? Wait. Oh, this is a very weird input format. But yeah. Right, so then here maybe we go for y and with n, right? So best is you go to let's just say infinity. Right, so if tops is the I is wait, what? Okay, so yeah, oh yeah, if tops of I is equal to tops of 0, then we just continue. Otherwise, and we just keep track of count, right? If tops of I is equal to bottoms of I, hey, that's what happens when you write things a little bit weird. And the tops of 0 is equal to bottoms of I, and that assumes, of course, that is not already matched. Then we have to do one swap. Otherwise, we just this is not possible, right? So yeah. Oh. Maybe just set infinity, right? And best is equal min count best. And you could kind of just write it out this way. Maybe you can win it a little bit cleaner, right? But that's how I would think about it. Just to kind of keep it simple, right? Right. And yeah, just the same idea. And yeah, and you don't have to check the first one because right. So basic stuff. And then the two more cases is that you can rotate tops and bottoms, right? So maybe you can do something like so this is the two loops that you have, and then maybe we can just put in a loop, right, for I don't know, x is equal to in range of 2. I don't know if this is the queen code. I mean, well, I know this is not queen code, but I'm just going to write it anyway. Which is that, yeah. Maybe if x is equal to 1, then we swap the first element. So top sub 0, 0, something like that, right? And now, because we swap when x is equal to 1, we can just set count is equal to 1, or whatever that is. That should be good. Excuse me. Where am I? Oh, tops. Oh yeah. I mean, of course, I just forgot that. Yeah, and then if best is, then we turn -1. I mean, obviously, I always meant to do that, but I forgot. It's too early. Okay, submit, and we look pretty good. Yeah, and that's all I have for this one. You probably could do some math on it, actually. Like you could probably, instead of looping it again, if you would, and this is just me not wanting to think about it, right? But if you do want to think about it, you can say that from this. I still want to sneeze. You know that it is, if it is matchable, right? So here, if count is less than infinity, then what happens? If it's less than infinity, that means that you can either swap all the other ones, or you can swap the inverse of it, right? So then here, count is equal to min count n minus count. I think that's fine, right? We put it here, and that should give you also the same answer. Oh well, now this is always 0, but also yeah. Then this is this plus 1 for the initial. No. I think this is fine actually, because it includes the original swap. Right. Oh, huh. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm wrong on that part. And sorry, my allergy is kicking my butt, but I should not have. Oh, I see. I am wrong. Sorry. I'm wrong because there could be a domino that's like in this case, the first element could be 2, 1, and then the second domino could be like 2, 2. So then now it's not the inverse because they could be swapped. I mean, you could do some math about that, but okay, fine. I'm wrong anyway. So yeah, so just ignore what I just said in the last 2 minutes. Allergies is really crowding me, and I am like, if you zoom into my face, I'm like snot is coming out, so it's not even great. But yeah, that's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and yeah, I need to get to the bus as well, so stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later, and take care. Bye bye.